Hi, and welcome to Campaign Trackly. In today's brief video, I'll show you how easy it is to add trackable links to your video so that you can measure how effective it is in driving traffic to your website. What we will do today is we will use three components. We will use a video, which we have posted on YouTube. We will create an info card, and we will also create a trackable link. All right, so here's my video. This video talks about UTM campaign reports in GA4, and there's a certain moment in this video, which is, I believe, 1609 or 1610. This is the moment where I am describing briefly how to set up a custom event. Now, the video has to be short, so I do not have enough time to provide a step-by-step tutorial. But I want to make sure that my customers can have an easy way to find out how to do that and how to read my tutorial. So a great way to do that is to create an info card, which will be connecting my customers to my blog. And let me show you how this is done. So here's my blog, how to create a conversion goal in GA4 in 3 easy steps. And this is the spot where I am discussing how to create this conversion goal or event. So I'm going to use Campaign Trackly's Chrome extension. I'm going to click it. The extension will instantly grab the URL of the blog here. Now I'm going to select YouTube live stream because this video is actually a live stream. My content is going to be a blog post. My term is going to be a text link. And because of the way I'm tracking my campaigns, I'm going to add here my campaign name, which is 2023-07-24 YouTube info link, and I am going to choose today's date. Now that I have everything, I'm going to preview and save, and I'm going to hit finish and save. What the tool does is it checks if this particular blog page is being tracked, which it is, which is really great for me, and now it's going to generate the trackable link for me. Now, it also gives me a short link, but I do not want to use this short link just in case. I'm going to copy my trackable link. I'm going to come back here, and now I'm going to click on Edit Video. When I reach my editor, I'm going to click here on Info Cards. As you can see, I already have a card that can connect users to my playlist, but I want to create a new card. I'll click the plus. I will select link, and now I can paste here my trackable link. Hopefully it will be accepted by YouTube. Yes, it is. Let's hit apply. Here I need to provide an image. Okay, let's select this image here. I need to shorten the title of the card. There is a requirement to keep it up to 50 characters long. So my call to action will be set up conversions in 3 steps. And then the teaser text would be view the step-by-step tutorial. And maybe I can even squeeze in a dash. Okay, this is great. And I need to put the time stamp here. And I think I am ready to save my info card. Once my info card is saved, I can go back to my live video and see what happens. Let me drag the player to 1609 and see what happens there. Okay, view this step-by-step tutorial. Amazing. And when I click it, great, it takes me to the 2 info cards. The first one is how to create conversion goal in GA4, easy. This is my blog. And then the second one is my playlist. Let me click on this one. Great. What's happening here is YouTube is preserving my UTM parameters. So it will be very easy for me to track how many people were redirected to my website from this video. Once this information gets into GA4, then what I can actually see is, what did these people do on the website? Did they sign up for our app? Did they decide to subscribe for our newsletter? Either way, it will be very useful information for me that will enable me to assess the value of the video that I created. Thank you so much for your time. Hope this was useful. Have a wonderful day. Happy tracking. Bye.